In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix delayed WhatsApp messages. This can be due to more than just one reasons, and I'm going to show you how to fix them. So if you notice that your WhatsApp is having delayed messages, the first thing you want to do is that you want to check that you have good internet connection. And you can do this by refreshing your network. You can disconnect and reconnect back to your Wi-Fi or mobile data, or try to connect to another internet service to see if this is resolved. The next cause of this could be bug issues, and you can resolve this by going back to your home screen, tap and hold down on the WhatsApp application, and you should see to drag to info. In some other systems, you will see info by the side. Go to your infos, and in this section, you want to tap force to stop, and then tap on OK. This will disable WhatsApp but not clear any of your data. It will temporarily disable WhatsApp until you open it again. Then go to your storage and tap on storage, and you'll see the option to clear your cache. Tap on clear cache, and your cache will be cleared. You can then go back to your WhatsApp and open it again, and you should start receiving WhatsApp messages again. If after doing this, you're still getting delayed messages, this is the next thing you can do. You can check your time settings on your WhatsApp. WhatsApp system disables WhatsApp sometimes when there is a huge time difference. So if you notice that your time isn't correct, you want to update that, and you can do that by going to your settings. Here you want to type date or time, and you will see date and time. Tap on date and time, and if it's automatically connected, you can disable it to manually correct the time, or you can turn this off and turn this back on to restore your time with your network provider. Lastly, you can go to your app store and check if you need to update your WhatsApp, and if after updating your WhatsApp this still doesn't work, you can either delete WhatsApp or just go back to your app info, and under storage you will see clear storage. This will reset the whole WhatsApp and log you out of WhatsApp, so you're logging in back to WhatsApp like a new device. So that's how you can fix delayed WhatsApp messages. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.